Hello, I'm Stella. Welcome to my video. Let's make a cute crochet chicken together. Come with me. We are going to need number 6 bulky yarn in any color of your choice for the body and in red for the comb. Number 4 medium yarn in the color black for the eyes and in any color of your choice for the beak. Here I'm using a mustard yellow. Scissors, tapestry needle and a 5mm crochet hook. We are also going to be using fiber fill. You can also make the eyes using safety eyes. To simplify the pattern and use less materials as possible, I'm going to use black yarn. And the bulky yarn that I'm using is the chenille yarn from Walmart. Alright, so let's start the tutorial. We start by making a magic ring and 8 single crochets inside the magic ring. 8 single crochets and round 1 is done. I'm going to be using a piece of yarn as a stitch marker. In round 2 we are going to work 8 increases in each single crochet from round 1. So we're gonna have 16 single crochets in total. An increase is 2 single crochets in the same single crochet from the previous round. Our chicken is growing! Look at that! Round 2 is ready! Alright, in round 3 we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase all around in a total of 24 single crochets at the end of this round. So we make a single crochet and 1 increase, so 1 single crochet in the previous single crochet from round 2 and then an increase which is 2 single crochets in the same single crochet from the previous round. I hope it's clear. I love making these chickens, they are so cute. Moving on to round 4. In round 4 we are making 2 single crochets and 1 increase in a total of 32 single crochets at the end of this round. So here, single crochet separately in different stitches. And then the increase. Our chicken is getting bigger. Round 5. It's the same idea. We are making 3 single crochets and then 1 increase. So, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, separately, 1 in each single crochet from the previous round. And then the increase in the next, the increase is 2 single crochets together. There you are. So now for round 6 we are going to make 40 single crochets in the back loop only. So when you make a single crochet, you look from the top, you see 2 little loops. So you're gonna use the one in the back. So you're gonna make your new single crochets grabbing only that back loop. So we are making 1 in each single crochet from the previous round in a total of 40 single crochets in this round. Now in round 7 to 11, so for 5 rounds we are going to make 40 single crochets a round. So after we have these 5 rounds of 40 single crochets, we are going to decrease the body a little bit so we can form the head and the tail. Making these chickens is super simple, right? We create the base and then we go up to make the body until we get to a point that we're just going to decrease a little bit. So we have a head and a tail, and then we're gonna sew the two parts together to close the chicken. You're gonna see that it's coming. So in round 12 we are going to make 3 single crochets and then a decrease. So 1, 2, 3 single crochets in 3 different single crochets from the previous round, and then we are going to make a decrease, which is combining 2 single crochets from the previous round. It's an invisible decrease. So what I do, I grab the 2 front loops from the single crochet from the previous round, I combine them to make a single crochet for round 12. So there you are. Round 12 has 32 single crochets at the end. And now for round 13 we are back to easy things, which is 32 single crochets all around. Now it's time to start stuffing with fiber fill. So here I cut a tail from my yarn, a long tail of about 30 centimeters, let's say, and start closing my chicken body. So grab your tapestry needle and start closing that hole. I would say in a crisscross manner, but don't go all the way down yet. Stop midway and see if you need more stuffing, okay? There you are. So it's all closed now and it looks like a cat's head. I got this comment on Instagram and then I looked at it and it actually does. Alright, so now let's make the comb with red yarn. I'm going to insert my hook, 3 single crochets down from the tip, and then I'm gonna grab the red yarn. And then I'll chain 2. After I chain 2, I'm gonna turn the chicken around and I'm going to make 3 double crochets in the next single crochet beside the 2 chains. And then beside those 3 double crochets, I'm gonna make a single crochet and then I slip stitch to close the comb. So now pull that yarn tail through the slip stitch. And now what I like to do is to get one of the yarn tails and with a tapestry needle go between the bottom of the comb until I get to the other tail, and then I'm gonna tie a knot with the 2 tails and then I'm just going to hide them inside the chicken. So just like that, you do whatever you want and the way you feel it's better. I like to do that so it's just 1 knot and then just conceal the yarn inside the body. the remaining tail. One thing I have to say is that if you are using the safety eyes, you have to place them before stuffing and closing your chicken. And you guys, it's looking so cute already. Let's move on to the face. So I like to embroider the mouth first with the yellow yarn. So I go around 3 times. You can also use a bulk yarn for that, and then you just do one turn, right? But I didn't have a chunky yarn in yellow, so I'm just using number 4 medium yarn. And for the eyes, I use black yarn and I go around 3 or 4 times, and then I just conceal the yarn inside the chicken. And there we have it! Our chicken is ready and it's looking so cute! I also made one in white and it's also super cute, and I want to make them in more colors. So follow me on Instagram where I post pictures of my creations, and I also would love to see what you make. Please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see yours. Okay, thank you for watching, and I want your feedback if this pattern was easy to follow, please, so leave me a comment here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!